Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there, but me and Jason, we were talking about a plan on how we can, fix this. So, we were thinking, right, Jason? Yeah? Yeah, we were thinking if we, get the animatronics to, if we get the animatronics to, like, come near us, and then we get this thing out, then we'll be able to hit them right in the face. Right? Yeah, right. This is gonna be really fun. Yeah, it is. It is, Jason. Let's open both doors up. Let's do this. Alright, Jason, come on. They're activating. Let's go. Jason's gonna stay over there for a while. Alright, guys. They're activated. Let's get them. Cha, 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 cha. Get out of here, Bonnie. Chica. Yeah, cha, cha, cha. Cha, cha. Freddy, get out of here. Cha, cha. Last one. Foxy. Cha! Get out of here. Cha, 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 cha! That felt good, guys. Jason, we did it! Did it, Jason. Let's go today. Yeah, we got the models back, but, guys, they're not coming back to life. If they do, we'll smack them in the face again. You got us, guys. You got us. Jason, what do you think about this? Yeah, that was super cool. I watched from the cameras. Yeah, wasn't it? We just beat those animatronics up. Yeah, we did. That was super cool. 87 FNAF. Let's go. I'll stay in here, actually. You go out and... Because I'm gonna do the day shift here. And maybe come back for the night shift, alright? Because I don't want to be here alone. Okay, Jason. I'll see you in a little bit. Let's go. Alright, guys. Let's go. Guys, that felt so good. But wait a second. Jason? I still haven't, Jason, I still haven't really got the, suit off yet. Yeah. Now I remember. Alright, let's get this thing off. Yeah. Oh, that hurt. Yeah. Oh, the legs. Yeah! Guys, that really hurt bad. Jason, you can't go. Sorry, buddy, but you can't go. Guys, I don't know what to do here. Jason, can I just... Yeah, you go. Go, Jason. Alright. Alright, guys. Whew. Alright. That was super cool. We just defeated all the animatronics. Woohoo, this axe really works well. So can we cut the grass? Oh yeah, we can, guys. This axe works super good. Let's go get the sheep. Ja! 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 Come back here, little sheep. Ja! 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 Yeah, that feels good. Let's see if we can spawn them, guys. Let's see if, like, I found this from a video, but yeah, that's just a cow. Yep, told you guys. Back to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza I go. Back to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza I go. Okay. Let's get this mess out of the way. Whoop! There it is. I don't know what's going on with this pizzeria. But whatever it is, it's really weird. I never even noticed it says Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria. I thought it says Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. Whatever. Hi, Freddy. Whoa! Look at that dark face. Stop. Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria. Okay. Guys, we just have to wait until the sun goes down. Just do something for the day. Maybe do some digging, See if we can find some, diamonds, maybe, Because this is Minecraft. And yes, I am digging straight down because I can never die. Okay, you know what, I'm not. Ah! Why am I walking backwards? I pressed the wrong buttons. Okay, so I gotta go this way. Let's just go digging here. Alright, do some more digging. See if we can find. Let's see if we can find some diamonds. Alright, I don't. I think I can. Alright guys, this is guys, let's go. Jason? 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 Where are you, Jason? I have to take these things down. Where did Jason go? Alright, well, that was it for this video, so, remember to subscribe, turn notifications on, and like the video. Guys, this was not a very intense video, but the next one will, so see you in the next one, bye!